Hi there, this is Andre. I thought I would do a unboxing, which I've never done before. Mostly because I got this big box this morning. Today is July 12 and it's the Canadian launch of the Apple Vision Pro, which I had pre-ordered and picked it up this morning. So I'll change the camera angle and then we can unbox this new toy together, okay? Okay, here we are. I don't know why, but in a lot of unboxing video, people they make noise. I think it's the quality of the sound. So there's a tab here. I'm gonna pull on that. It's gonna break my heart. There we go. So you've got the first tab out. Okay, I just don't want to drop it. Of course, you see that also in unboxing person. So I'm gonna turn it around like this, and I'm gonna try to open the box. Oh, there's another tab right here. Good thing I turned it around. Let's do that one as well. There we go. Okay, let's be careful. Oh, there we go. Oh, here it is. And inside the box, basically, it's just a protection. It's well made. And here it is. You're supposed to hold it through the nose and at the top. Right now it has all this wrap on it. What's inside the box? There's gotta be some manual or some, here we have some information. And we need a battery. We need, oh, this is a different interface for the front. So let me put it back down here. This is pulled this way, this way. I guess it's gonna be out. There we go. So a bit more of a kind of silicone interface for your face to block out the lights. It's all magnetic, so I think there's little magnets here and there. So that's one piece. What else is in here? There should be a battery pack somewhere. Some more instruction. The dual lamp. Oh yeah, so that's basically you have different options as to how it's attached to your head. This is the typical one here, and then there's one that's I would say look a little bit more like the band that you would use in inside of with a MetaQuest, basically. There we go. This is the power. The power in the headset is external, so you have a cord and you can put it on your belt or in your pocket, and then you have to connect it to the side of the Apple Vision Pro. Okay, let's get some cardboard out of here. See how this little beauty looks like. Okay, there we go. So it comes like this, and it comes in with this cushion here. That's basically making sure that you don't scratch the beautiful front screen, because it is a screen. Some elements of your face will show up, your eyes will show up in there. You can put some insert some lens from Zeiss inside, so get your prescription right. So that's basically it. There's a little cable and power to charge the battery, and that's it. And you just need to be really careful with it and not scratch it in the first attempt that you have. So there's a lot of cushioning involved here. That's it. It's my baby. I'll certainly show some once it's set up and everything. I'll show more. Okay, bye.